Hello viewers, here is a vintage exhaust fan at the vacation house, and I'm wondering if I can actually get a top view of it because there is a hatch here. Let's see. I don't have the big tripod with me. I need something to oh man, maybe I'll just do this. I don't know, did you see it? I'm going to review the footage and see if that came out. Alright, you can kind of see it. I don't have the big tripod with me, which has proved to be a failure on numerous occasions here. I can't get this as high up as I want it to be. But there it is, you can kind of see it. Okay, get a view of the motor. I think I'm getting it. I can't really tell, but there it is. If I had the big tripod, I could get this higher up into the attic, but I can't. Anyways, there's that. I'll go ahead and turn it on. Very quiet, and now I know why, because it's a nice belt drive machine. And here we go. See the belt in there. I can feel the air moving. I've got 3 windows open in here. Yeah, it's making a good breeze actually. Let's see if I can pick up this plant. It's kind of heavy. Yeah, that's moving a good amount of air. It looks like it just empties into the oh, that's pretty cool. You can actually see it goes right up into the gable. I don't think we're going to be able to catch a spin down time because it's going to close, but there's a switch. Go ahead and cut it off. I could hear it spinning for several seconds after the shutter closed. So maybe it, maybe it does have a good spin down time. Perhaps it's a big heavy steel blade or something. Usually belt drive fans slow down pretty fast. Anyway, so there's that, a vintage whole house fan. It's pretty small. It can't be anything bigger than a 36. But it's definitely old and it works. It works good.